Hello people, and for this video, we're going to show you how to set up an account for DeepSeek AI on your mobile. So right now, the first thing to do is to tap on the app itself after you've installed it. I simply have to confirm the age verification, which wants to ensure that we are over 14. In this case, we can either tap on sign up or sign in with Google. In my case, I will tap on sign up. It will ask us for an email address. I will create a password, and then we will tap on send code. We just have to go through the CAPTCHA. Now I have to look at the code on my email. Once you have the code, just tap on confirm. Tap sign up, and it says the email is already registered. I will simply have to log in. It will give us a welcome page, so we simply have to tap on start chat, and here we are. We now have DeepSeek on our phone. Now I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.